What's up guys, Keysy back with another video. And today it's going to be a little bit different because if you can see by the thumbnail, we're going to be unboxing some Funko Pops. You know, I collect these all the time. I have like 30 some in around my room, and yeah, I still have yet to make a video about all of them, but yeah, these are just the ones that I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of because these are from the New York Comic Con convention. So I just want to unbox these are all, I think they're all exclusives, so yeah, let's get right into it because I'm excited and I've had these for a couple days and I want to make a video for you guys. But before that, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and comment maybe what's your favorite pop or how many pops you have down in the comments below. So yeah, let's get straight into it because I'm excited. So the first one we have here is this My Hero Academia Doggie pop. Now this one is absolutely insane. I'll probably have some B-roll of these while I'm talking over it, but this one is, I love how they executed this one. It looks so cool. And when I went to go get them at first at Hot Topic, because he was a Hot Topic exclusive one, I was there too late and they said that they sold out instantly, but lucky enough I knew that they were still online, so I was able to get him, and I still need to get Stain. I did luck out on him, but yeah, Doggie right here. Let's put it like right there in the back. Next one we have, this one could be either one of two of the Amazon exclusive ones, but yeah, let's get right into it because I don't know which one this is. Alright, so this one is gonna be the Office, the Dwight, holding the Dwight little bobblehead right there. I actually don't watch The Office at all, but I did see that this was an exclusive and I liked him a lot just because he looked hilarious. But I do plan on just like selling him off and not keeping him for myself. But yeah, this is the Dwight holding the Dwight bobblehead right there. And I'll just probably have a B-roll over me while I'm talking. Then we have this other Amazon exclusive. I actually have two Stan Lees coming in the mail, but they're not shipped out yet, and by the time I have this video out, I still won't have them. So yeah, I did get two astronaut Stan Lees, so I was lucky enough from that off the Walmart website. Another box, and in another box we have the Iron Man New York Comic Con exclusive right there. Now this one is so nice because he's holding the gauntlet, and if you did see Avengers Endgame, you know that once he snaps his fingers, he's dead. So this is just one of the scenes when he has it on his arm. So I just think this is a really nice one. They executed very well with the jewels right there on his hand, and yeah, they just did a very well overall on this Tony Stark one. And certainly last but not least, this is from the Funko shop itself. One of the pops that I have here is from a show that I did watch when I was younger back then, so this one is going to stay in the personal for me. Like this Dwight and the Iron Man one I am going to sell, but I'm going to keep the Doggie and the one that's going to be in this. All this packaging right here. Alright, so the first one I'm going to go over, oof, that is not a very well sound. Alright, so the first one we have right here is the Officer Freddie Funko right here. If you know and you do follow Funko and their pops, that this is their exclusive one that they make for themselves. Like this is their character right here, Freddie Funko, and then he has a variety of outfits and designs that he's in, but this is the Officer one where he's dressed as a police officer, and this is the New York exclusive right there. I just had to get it. This one will probably most likely be getting sold as well. Alright, but last but certainly not least, this one is probably my favorite one, and it is going to stay, like I said, in the personal, because this one means it's from my childhood. So yeah, let's unbox it already. The box is actually kind of smaller than I thought, but if you know, then oof, it's that Samurai Jack and Aku right here, the 2-in-1. And now this one looks absolutely crazy. I just love how they both look, and just in this box, I don't think I'm gonna take them out of the box. I'll probably keep them in here for probably as long as I keep these, and I'll probably put them in a case. But yeah, this one is probably my most favorite one that I have. Out of all the pops that I have a lot, so I'm not sure. This could be the best one that I have, just because of how sentimental it is, because of the show. And I'll probably end up just rewatching the show just to remember how sweet it was, because this was like a really big part of my childhood. But yeah, the Samurai Jack and Aku New York Comic Con exclusive right there. Then you have all the pops right here, if you can see them, or there's B-roll all around. But yeah, there's a whole big of a mess that I have to clean up right here with all these boxes. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get into that right now. But if you guys did enjoy this video, like I said, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and leave a comment down below. You know, share the video if you'd like as well. And yeah, I just appreciate you guys for watching the video. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.